In this video, you'll learn how every CourseAgent course is structured and how to shape each part to suit your content and your learners. I'll quickly access the course editor. Every CourseAgent course follows the same shape. A welcome page opens it. A topics page organizes the chapters. Topic pages carry the actual content. An optional quiz tests what was learned. And a passed page, plus a not passed page if there's a quiz, closes it out. Let me walk you through each one and the rules that tie them together. The welcome page is the landing page learners see first. It ships with 5 interchangeable layouts. Open the layout picker and click through them to find the one you like. You can't add or remove sections on this page, but you can edit everything inside the chosen layout: the title, the intro copy, the hero image, and whether the duration shows. Pick a layout, make it yours, move on. The topics page is auto-generated. It shows a grid of cards, one per topic, in either a vertical or horizontal layout. Each card has a settings cog. Click it, and the Edit Topic Card Properties drawer opens, where you control the thumbnail, title, duration, intro text, image position, and progression behavior. One thing to know: if your course only has one topic, this page hides itself automatically. Add a second topic, and it reappears. Topics live in the course menu on the left. Click Add Topic to create a new one. Drag the handle to reorder. The 3-dot menu on each topic lets you duplicate it, hide it, or delete it. Hiding is useful. The topic stays in your draft so you can keep editing, but learners don't see it until you bring it back. Open a topic, and the page drop-down shows that topics pages, by default, Foundation, Application, and Summary, but you can rename or restructure however you like. Use the page bar at the top to rename, duplicate, or delete the page you're on. If you've built a section and realize it belongs in a different chapter, you don't have to rebuild it. Hover the section, open its menu, and use the Move to Topic control to send it to another topic and page, content and styling intact. In this video, I've added a quiz. The quiz intro page is much like the course welcome page, 5 layouts to choose from, where you set expectations, explain the format, and show the pass mark. Then come the question pages, 1 question per page. Build the quiz manually, or use AI Quiz to generate questions automatically from the content already in your topics. The pass page is the celebration, score, a well done message, an optional feedback button. The not passed page only appears when there's a quiz with a pass mark, giving learners who didn't make it their retry path. Pick a layout, edit the copy and styling, done. Finally, course settings controls how learners move through the course. Required pages must be completed for the course to count as complete. Optional pages don't. Free navigation lets learners jump around in any order. Restricted forces them through page by page. Set these per page for precision, or apply them globally in course settings. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.